Hi, John. How are you doing today?
I'm very well, thank you.
So thank you for joining us here again this year at the GCFF main event in Vancouver. Maybe you could just start off by giving us an overview, a quick, just to refresh the memories of our audience about the Victoria Gold.
Yeah, Victoria Gold is a TSX listed company. We have a large producing mine in Canada's Yukon territory. We've been unusual as a junior because we've taken an asset from exploration through development, permitting, construction, and now we're in production, producing roughly 180,000 ounces of gold per year.
Good to hear. So maybe just touch upon some of the recent of your developments, because you recently acquired some Yukon deposits from Sabres Gold. What's the potential there?
Yeah, I mean, this was a very opportunistic purchase. Sabre Gold, you know, their share price has been beat up. They've been unable to raise money. They had two assets, one in Arizona and one in the Yukon. And they want to focus on the asset in Arizona. So we approached them to see if they would sell their Yukon assets. And we came to an agreement a week ago. The assets include some tax losses that they've incurred that we can apply towards earnings from the Eagle mine. The Brewery Creek project, which is a former producer, but has had, since closing, has had over $56 million worth of exploration done on it. And there is a resource there of over 2 million ounces that we feel can be developed over the next couple of years and put in production at about 50 to 60,000 ounces per year. Second asset we received is an asset called Gold Dome. It's another exploration property, very early stage, but has some very exciting geochem work that's been done there. So we'll continue with exploration there.
So you also recently announced your first analytical for the Raven deposit. Maybe you can share some highlights with us as well?
Yeah, we have a large land position in the Yukon. You know, we've done the airborne geophysics across the entire property. Our focus right now is an area called Nugget. It's another large granodiorite intrusive with characteristics very similar to our the intrusive that hosts Eagle. So we made a new discovery there 3 years ago. We've called it Raven. A year ago, we put out a maiden resource there, over 1 million ounces at 1.7 grams. We've done 2 more seasons of drilling since then, and the grade actually looks a little better, and it looks like we'll double the number of ounces, and we'll have a new resource update out before the end of the year.
And in summary, just what kind of milestone, what investors should be looking for from Victoria Gold in the next 12, 18 months?
Yeah, I think number one is Eagle production. You know, we've had a couple of disappointing years during COVID and post-COVID, but the mine is really coming into its own now and is operating very well. So watch for our quarterly production updates. And then the exploration excitement around Raven and Gold Dome.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your updates with us today, John.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.